Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable background error checking in Excel, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Excel in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Excel. Go to blank workbook, click on file, select options, and if you don't find options, click on more and then you'll find options. Okay, now go to the formulas tab. In the right pane, there is something called as enable background error checking. It is checked by default, so it is always enabled by default. If you disable it and then click on OK, it will be disabled. Now what does it mean? It means if I say C1 plus C2 and hit enter, okay, is equal to, so I can make formulas like this. But is this formula correct or is it incorrect? Should an equal to be at the beginning, okay, or should it be at the bottom? So this formula is correct or not incorrect, that is questionable. So in this case, the background error checking option will be the one which will confirm it. For example, now the formula is correct, but if I was to change the formula a little and the formula would be factually incorrect, then how would I know about it? So this is why I usually keep background error checking on. Click on file, click on file. Wait, I'll just delete it. Click on file, select options, go to formulas, enable this, click on OK. 99.9% cases this is a good option. But if you specifically don't want it to prompt, if you're specifically creating a very different kind of formula that is not accepted, then that is a different situation. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.